Kwame, yeah. Check this out. I've been concerned about my problems, concerned about my future, concerned about my nature, concerned about my failures. Why? Because I didn't know how to cook, much less even pick up a book. Take a look. The problem solely started with the money that I had, the money that I spent. Money take, call me glad. Kept these problems in my wallet, in my head. But take these particles all day and hit the bed. Too many days I was hungry, never fed. I took my beats and got yeast to make bread. Busy like a bee, but the honey would never spread. Life is funny when you're reaching out for success. At the same time, it's always a little test. The battle's in the mind and spirit, I must confess. I didn't let it get to my heart, nevertheless. The problem will pass and the money will manifest. More money, more problems will get off of my chest. And hit the highway to collect what I express. Little did I know that life would be like chess. There's problems everywhere, but it's how I will progress. If you see negativity and it's coming from your friends or your family, I said, let it fly by, let it fly by, let it fly by, then say bye-bye. If you see negative stigmas around and all you wanna do is get it off of your crown and say, let it fly by, let it fly by, let it fly by, then say bye-bye, bye-bye.